Meet Googlefi, a different kind of phone plan. Fi has the features you want in a phone plan. You can sign up from home with no activation fees or contracts. You can choose between two types of data plans. On the unlimited plans, you get unlimited data for the same monthly price. On the flexible plan, you only pay for the data you use. When it comes to phones, you've got options. You can get phones designed for Fi on our website. They automatically shift between networks and Wi-Fi hotspots for better coverage. Or you can bring a phone you already love. No matter what, you get great coverage and features, like privacy and security features that protect your personal information, and tools to help your family stay safer on their phones and build healthy digital habits. Ready to get started? Give Fi a try today.